Hello dear students, welcome to Axiomaticos. This video is the part of the solution series for IIT JAM 2013. So we are here with this problem 8 of your paper. This problem is from the topic abstract algebra. So let us have a look on this problem. Let P be a prime number and let G be the group of all 2 cross 2 matrices over the field ZP. Okay, you know that ZP is a field? Yes. With determinant 1 under the matrix multiplication, then the order of G is. So you have 4 options in your hand, right? So it's a very easy question. Okay, if you remember that formula, you can solve this question. Are you getting my point? Otherwise you have to bring combinatorics here. So for exam I don't suggest that. So what you have a group G which is a group of 2 cross 2 matrices with determinant 1. So generally we write that group like this. Okay, now we have, instead of n, we have 2 here, right? So this is our group. Now what I am going to do, I will introduce a formula for you because it will be helpful always. Okay, so order of G is actually given by order of GL2ZP. Okay, I am writing 2 here. This also work for n. Okay, so I think I should write for, okay, I will do that later. So over 2 minus 1. Okay, so order of, I should write generalized formula here. Order of SLNZP, simple linear group, is given by order of general linear group, okay, by P minus 1. Now what is the formula to determine the order? It's very simple. P to the power n minus 1, P to the power n minus P up to P to the power n minus P to the power n minus 1 over P minus 1, right? So this is your formula, right? Now you got this formula, so just apply this formula. Okay, what I suggest you, I suggest you to remember this formula because this formula is helpful in many cases. Okay, so you will not always use combinatorics while solving some other question which this formula will be needed, for which this formula will be needed. Are you getting my point or not? So from here what you can say, your answer will be P square minus 1 P square minus P over P. Okay, sorry, I wrote 2 minus 1, that was incorrect. P minus 1. Okay, so now what you can do, you can choose, you can take P square or P out of it. So what will happen then? P of P square minus 1. So you will end up with P minus 1 here, and P minus 1 is also in the denominator. So both these things will be cancelled. So you will end up with P dot P square minus 1, right? So now I think we got our options. So what I can do, I can write this as P into P minus 1 into P plus 1. That means which option is correct? Your option number A is a correct option, right? B is incorrect, C is incorrect, and D is incorrect, right? So this was a very easy question. Okay, I will conclude everything for you. We just use this formula. Okay, so this formula will help us to determine the order, and you have to remember this. Okay, you can do it with combinatorics, but I don't suggest it for the exam. So thank you.